Okay, we're back again with Yuhua. So we were talking about performance of different bows, I think, yeah?
Yes, yes, the design.
Yeah, design.
The bow is the key. It's not the material. Material is important, but it's not the most important. It's important. You know, like the same design, like do you know there's a world champion fly bow? It's a down brown. You know, back to 1980s, he shot a distance up to 1,200 something yards in Bolivia, so flat.
Wow.
The other guy make this bow. I forget his name. Okay, they are a very good team. One bow maker, one is very good bow maker, the other is very good archer. So they together create a lot of world record, you know, fly archery.
What type of bow did he have? Is it their own shape bow, or was it a particular like historical type recreation bow?
No, their own shape. This is very short bow with extension. You know, the handle, extension of the handle. It's like they call it keyhole bow, like a keyhole bow. It's shoot in the middle of the bow. So that's a heyday of the fly shooting. You know, now today is not a heyday because we don't have the bowyer to make it bow, especially for fly archery anymore. I mean, it's very, it's a pity, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Like people, they're. I'm sure I want to make some good fly bows, you know, in the future.
Have you ever made a flight bow before?
I made a homework, but exactly I make so-called fly bow. It's short Turkish style bow. I don't know if you can call it fly bow or not, but it can fly. It can fly pretty far. So yeah. I can shoot my bow back 300 something meters, but not 500 meters. Just over 300 meters, a little bit. My skill is not good. I'm not a strong archer. So right. That's very bad.
Yeah.
I can. Someone is better than me. This is good.
But just as important as the bow, you need to have the right arrow for flight archery.
Yes. You need everything is accurate. You know, for the form of flight archery competition in America is very strict. When you shoot a traditional bow, you should use traditional string, traditional arrow. You know, so you don't use the modern material string, no. So you have to make a silk string, you know, and you have to make some very thin bamboo or wooden arrows. It's very precision work, very you know accurate. If you make any mistake, it's not gonna be. It's a tough. It's very tough. The challenge. I mean, somebody thinks it's easy. No, it's not easy at all. So
how do you remember when you're making so many bows? How do you remember at which stage each bow is and the poundage? Do you write on each bow, or do you have a label or anything?
Yes. I will show you our label. This is okay. Here, this is how how the sinew align, how the sinew, you know, and this is the poundage and the all information here. When it's made, the poundage and the drawing. Every bow is a serial number. Every bow has when you make how you can trace
like a barcode.
Yeah, kind of a primitive, very primitive barcode. Yes.
Yeah.
The problem is before I'm making product, I only make like only 5 or 7 or 10 bows per year. Like every other home bowyer making like 10 bows per year. So it's no problem to remember every bow. It's no problem. bows, you know, everybody remember. But when now you're making 100 bows, you need to a number and you need to a database of each bow. You know, so it's kind of different. But you know why I'm not good at archery, because I have too many bows. Do you understand?
Yeah, you're too busy.
I have only one
you're too busy making bows to be good at archery.
No. You miss range. Maybe I bring 10 bows or 5 bows with me. So I never practice one bow. I shoot this bow for like 10 hours and the other bow another 10 hours. So I cannot build a memory, muscle memory.
I see.
Bow. So my archery skill is never going to be well, you know,
Okay.
because of this fact. Because I have a lot of bow. I never concentrate on practice one bow. So that's my problem.
So who do you give your bows to test them and practice them? You must have someone with good archery technique, right?
Actually, not much. Only Mongolians. Mongolians in Ulaanbaatar. I have 2 friends. One is Moku. The other one is Alice Amir. I told you before. Yeah. They both break the Mongolian record of the fly shooting in Mongolia. They create a new record to 400 and something meters, 480 meters, something like that, using my bow. They are very strong archer, but I'm not. Not that time. Yes, I'm not a strong archer. Yes.
Now the bows.
Let me introduce.
Yes, go on.
Okay. When you have meeting with Mr. Yap Dryer, right? He used bamboo bow, right? But okay, this is the bamboo I'm using now. Okay, there's a factory in Taiwan. Okay, usually the bamboo you are like carbonized by very hot air for 3 days. This is smoke cured bamboo. I don't know he knows or not. People knows because it's take a month cure. You put the green bamboo in a kiln and you put the smoke like making bacon, you know, like making smoked salmon. And it take a month to make. So this is very strong material.
But barbecue bamboo.
Yes, like smoke cure for months.
And this makes it stronger. You said makes it stronger.
Makes tendons very tenacious,
flexible,
not breaking.
Flexible.
Okay, flexible. Yes, tenacious, very strong. Makes much stronger, especially this batch of bamboo is already stored in the dry place outdoor for 10 years. This is aged and then smoked. So
wow. Does that make it very expensive? Does it push the price up because it's been, you know, dried and cured for so long? It's more expensive, yeah.
Price is like when I bought the carbonized, this cost like 5 times more. So, but doesn't make, because my goal is to make the best bow. So I'm always looking for some good material, best material.
Yeah.
I even have a friend of Taiwanese indigenous people. He harvests the wood for me from the mountain in Taiwan. He go and harvest the wood in the winter time for the bow, my bow making, like jasmine orange. I don't know you know this kind of. It's kind of like a Taiwanese version of Osage orange.
Okay.
Very strong wood, and the bow is almost impossible to break.
Wow. Very strong.
This bow, yes, it's made from that wood, but only my work. It's impossible to make in quantities, you know.
Yeah. So when you have the website up and running, how will someone be able to choose the poundage? You will have options on there?
Yes. Okay. Among all our products, we will categorize. You know, we have some poundage, but most of the products are good for the general public. You know, like a 30 pound, 40 pound. This is the most. Most of the product is like that. But for some special order, you want you want 70 pound, 80 pound, 100 pound bow. Okay, you have to order specially order, because this is not in the range of the normal archer, because our product is meant for the public, meant for the general, the most of the archers. I wish most of the archer interested in the traditional archery can have the chance, can assess a true traditional bow. Okay, so if some archer interested in Asiatic archery, my goal is to let them have a real horn bow. Okay, and this is a lot of archers wish.
Dream. Yeah, for sure.
Our goal to fulfill everybody's dream.
So what will be the lowest poundage available, and what is the poundage range that you will have available on the website? So someone goes there and they can choose. What range?
We don't have website yet. Okay.
No, but when you do have it, what will be the choice range?
It starts from 20 something pound, 25 pound, 22 pound, maybe for the girls.
Wow, so low. Okay.
Yeah. Up to 70 pound, maybe 55, 60 pound.
Right.
But if you want 70 pound, you need to special order. You need to order specially. Yes. So its range is from 20 maybe to 60.
Wow.
It's 40 pound range.
Right. And do you have a rough idea of the pricing? Does the pricing increase if the poundage is more, or it's kind of the same?
If in this range, it's all the same. But if it is over 70 pounds, especially if someone want to order a 100 pound ball, you must pay extra money for that.
Sure.
Pay more.
Sure.
Because it's more difficult to make.
Of course.
You know, if you want to teeter the ball, you want to bend the ball, it takes a lot of strength, a lot of experience. It's not easy.
Yeah.
So
the normal range 20 to 70 for those bows is how much roughly? Do you know the price yet or not?
We have roughly. Now it's not set yet. The recommended retailer's price is $1,950 US. Okay, and for our dealer, if someone interested to be our dealer, send me email. Our dealers or distributor, we will give him very good discount. Okay, right. But not settled yet.
Okay,
but very good discount.
Sure, I understand. So anyone, for anyone that will watch this video, if you're interested in owning a horn bow in the future, Yuhua is making very good developments in making it available for everyone who loves archery to own a authentic, well-made horse bow that can perform very well between low poundage from 20 up to 70 pounds. And if there are people out there who also want to speak to him about being a distributor, then we will have all of his details, and you can contact him directly. If the website is not up yet, then taiwanhornbow@gmail.com is the address. So you
we
are,
have
yes, you have.
We will have Instagram first.
Sure.
And
Okay.
Facebook.
Okay. Great. We'll put all that information on. But again, Yuhua, this has been very, very fascinating, very interesting to speak to you and to see all the process. I appreciate you open up your workshop to us so we can see, because some of this process, many of us, we never get to see, you know, and you know, the different types of bows that you're doing, and you know, the developments you're making in making horn bow and composite bow available to everyone. So I'd like to thank you for all of your hard work.
Okay, let me finish. I have an idea. Okay, I mean, you can ask the audience if people like this idea. I will, if I create a Patreon, do you know Patreon?
Patreon, yes.
Channel, and I will put some video or some explanation or some text there. Okay, I will classify. Okay, if someone wants to learn how to make horn bow or something, and maybe they will $5 for this kind of content, maybe $10 for this kind of content, maybe $100 for this kind of content. I will show detail how to do it, how to use this tool, how to buy, because this kind of interview is impossible. You know, how to buy, you know, how to do wedges, you know, like to make bamboo bow, how to do this, how to do that, and we have a full content. If people interested, and he can visit the Patreon channel, and will add all the content and to satisfy to give all the information he needs. And but in the end, he need to have some, you know, he need to make it by his own self.
Yeah,
okay?
Of course.
I can teach you how to do that, but he need to make it by his own self.
Sure.
Okay.
No, I think it'll be very useful, especially for other bowyers around the world who are not as experienced as yourself. It will give them a lot of insight into all the small details of how to make a bow.
Yes, yes. Or anyone interested in that, you can visit the Patreon. But I'm thinking about, I haven't created that yet.
Sure.
Sorry.
No problem. Okay, excellent. So I will put all the details at the bottom of the video for people to see, and they can contact you directly. So thank you very much, Yuhua, and for your assistance today, for your time. Been very, very interesting. And I wish you all the best luck, and hopefully we will hear about the website very soon.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
thank you very much.
See you, Yuhua. Bye.
Bye.